Yeah, okay, guys. So this is Wednesday, and the rally starts Friday.
This is the Ornery One, and you're watching our BC by BC 22 ride.
Yes, which is a border-to-border and coast-to-coast 11,000-mile ride, 2 different highways, all along the backwoods of America.
That's right. If you guys like motorcycle content, then you're at the right channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your riding buddies. Oh yeah, let's get to it.
So, if you're watching, you might be like, man, where's all the bikes at? But you got to remember that we're early, and we're gonna, which is awesome. Look at this. I mean, it's pretty cool. If you came early, you could enjoy this. In my opinion, it's the time to come because everybody's fresh, right? And what I mean by that is all the vendors and stuff, they just got here. They're not wore out just yet, and they pretty much have everything on hand. So if you came early and got some work done, more than likely they're going to have the parts and get you in and out. Just saying. I always like the beginning of the rally. It's just like Steph and I will go down to Mardi Gras, and we've done it before where we go down and leave before Fat Tuesday and just take in all the activities, but don't be there in the crazy. I'm excited to be here. And remember, guys, up and down through here, come to a complete stop, both feet on the ground, and make sure you have glasses on. So this is what's going on. We're not in Sturgis, we're at Spearfish. The reason why we're at Spearfish is because we had to come to a UPS store because I had to get a new phone shipped out because I've had trouble. We'll talk about that later. But since we're here, we came down to the Safeway to get our groceries for this rally. It's a great way to save money. As you guys can have seen that we have that camper there at the chip, and we have an ice box and freezer, and we'll probably get us a little cooler as well. And then, we'll just buy some groceries, some drinks, some alcohol. It'll save you a ton of money. And like Steph said, we're gonna try to eat out once a day.
We're going to try this, and I did notice, though, at the chip, they do have off-site beer and ice. So if you're like, no, I'm just going to be there for a couple days, I don't need a lot of groceries, but I would like, I'd like to have some beer. They do sell beer and ice off-site from the main stage and concert area. So if you wanted to pick some up, it's there and it's available.
Yep. So just some pointers from us how to save some money. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to.
Yeah, but we are going to definitely take advantage of having the fridge and the freezer and load up on some goodies, snacks, and some some fruit for breakfast.
And she's going to be a woman and she's going to cook like she should. Yeah, getting ready for the chip. What do we spend?
So our groceries, total of $191.59.
$200.
$200.
Okay. We go out to eat though. We have gone out to eat and spent $70.
Yes.
You get a cheeseburger and fries at a rally, it could very well cost you $30 a piece. We've done that.
Yeah, we found that out at
Daytona. Yeah,
So here's the fun part of getting all this motorcycle and watch me.
so this is where I've learned just to stand back. I don't know. Look at the sky. I don't pay any attention to what's going on. I never give her my opinion. I find it's a lot faster and easier that way. I just look up at the clouds. Getting ready for the RV at the Buffalo Chip. Went and got our groceries. Now we got to make them all fit into the road glide. So you got all of our groceries in, except
for this.
one bag.
And we do have this bungee, but we're not using it. We got $200 worth of groceries all at the bike. What do you think about them apples?
I think it's a phenomenal tip. Phenomenal tip. Yeah. What do you say?
Make sure your lens wasn't cracked.
Sorry. Oh, you're good.
Grinding and roasting right here downtown Sturgis at Sturgis Coffee.
Sturgis Coffee. Hey, girl. So this is one thing I was worried about whenever we got our groceries in the bike. But they all made it. Oh yeah, eggs in the morning. I'm telling you, you can't beat this at Sturgis, at the Buffalo Chip, having your own breakfast. Love it.
Cooked by your own husband. I can't believe it. That's the biggest perk of the Buffalo Chip.
Trust me, she'll be in her skivvies in the morning cooking me breakfast.
Not for sure if salt and pepper's provided. I don't see that it is. However, we do have a big can of coffee. Of course, soap, paper towels, all that. So we went ahead and grabbed some.
Bacon. Gotta have the bacon, right? So how many of y'all eat bacon? And which bacon do you buy? It's expensive as hell, right? I think this was about $8. And honestly, always say that we went to out at Spearfish, the groceries weren't that bad, and we became a member. So at the end of the tally, we saved over $15. Donuts, one with sprinkles, and one just glazed. Got one of these chairs. Oh yes. Bring me a beer, woman.
Setting up my